problems which we or the students are facing?
See, when we talk of language acquisition, what you need, as I did mention in the opening remark also, that we need an environment. An environment can never be created by couple of say faculties which are CS, and that too the contact hour is very limited. Now when you see the due importance given to a subject, you will find the IITs and IIM, the same IITs and IIM giving master degree and doctorate degree in say specialization English courses, which is unthinkable now in engineering colleges. Why? Because in engineering colleges it is again a kind of a myth or a misnomer that it's absolutely okay for you to be technically sound and it's okay if you are dull. Here I would like to draw your attention that in the Harvard University in 2012 they had a kind of a survey wherein they surveyed their previous 10 batches of the highly successful say technical pass out students of there, and they came up with this survey wherein they mentioned and they asked very fundamental question that why or what say credit do you give to your success, to your domain knowledge. Say for example I am from civil engineering, then my domain knowledge is civil engineering, and to soft skills or the kinds of communication skill, life skills. So where do you give the weightage? And surprisingly the result came that only 12% of their success credit goes to their domain knowledge. Domain knowledge is important but not more than 12, and they gave the emphasis to the communication skill, the life skill, their soft skills. Because of these skills they said that they could get success what they have.
So means now, humanities has a role to play,
and it is now being proven, it has been emphasized time and again that you have to take care of this, or else with the best of the technical knowledge you will not be in position to communicate. And ultimately if it is not communicated and you have fairly good knowledge, then it will be like saying that operation was successful but the patient died, which is a loss in itself.